8 slimes that I didn't know I bought. I think this one rotted. Oh my god. Today I'm actually, look at the tree guys. You know what's so funny? Yesterday we decorated just the front just to show you guys what's going on. But there's not really much going on in the back. We have to get so many ornaments. I have ABC coming like in legit an hour for a quick little interview. So I'm so excited. I don't know what the heck it is with me in Starbucks lately, but like I need to chill. We actually moved everything around. That was in here, but the crew is here. So we're moving everything around because they're gonna set up right here. Oh my Lanta. You know, there's the 4-packs at Target that you can get now. But your girl loves giant slime. This one is the cereal. Look at that. This is Milky Way Cereal from the Galactic pack. So milky. I love this one so much. Also, orange soda is literally my favorite from the soda pack because can we just talk about it? Looks like it's freaking glowing right now. I love the orange one just because the color, the scent, everything. Also the grape one is also my favorite one from that pack, but maybe in the future we can release some giant slimes. It's low-key been a longish day. I mean, it gets dark fast now. I'll give you guys more details later, but they just left. Squishy Bunny and I are gonna go grab some food because we are starving. Let's go eat. So the last time I was here, I had 30-inch nails. Today, I have no nails, which I'm so excited about. I'll show you guys this giant batch of slime that Raul just made. He made a birthday foam. You guys don't understand how big this thing is. How huge is this? Obsessed! I need to show you guys something. I am freaking shook. I just found this box outside. I opened it up, okay? Look how old this label looks. And I was like, why is this box not open? So I opened up the box. It is a slime package from like over a year ago. Let's open it up. Unboxing a 1-year-old slime package. How the heck did I even forget about this? I'm so excited though because there's actually so much slime in here. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I can't remember the last time I shopped. If I'm honest, I haven't really shopped online. There is 8 slimes in here. 8 slimes that I didn't know I bought. That's probably like $100 or more that I had no idea I even bought. Like, I'm an actual idiot. I can't believe I missed this completely. This is cotton candy dreams. When I say melted, I mean this is more melted than literal glue. I know this is crazy, I'm starting off with this, but who knows? Maybe it doesn't need that much. Maybe it reactivates faster. Oh my gosh. Do you want to help me activate them, Squishy Bunny? Okay, I love this one actually. This is Cinnamon Toast Crunch And I've been wanting this slime forever, and I didn't realize I actually bought it.
Wait, why is it like this at the bottom? It's like a layer of like something.
At the bottom it has like a really thin air. It feels almost like a...
Like you can scrape it off.
You know what it feels like? Like oobleck. This is not coming together like usually.
You can put it here. You can activate slime better like on a flat surface.
I think I might have added a little bit too much activator to this one. I don't know how to explain it though because it's really, really sticky. It's like, it's coming together but it's melting in your hands. I can't even explain it. This turned into oobleck. I've activated slime before y'all, like this is just really old. Oh my god, rest in peace Cotton Candy Dreams, no! She had a lot of dreams. I'm gonna be extra careful with this one, Cinnamon Toast Crunch. First of all, this smells freaking amazing. Holy crap, this is probably when she first created this.
You should empty it on the table.
On the table? Like just activate it on there?
I've done that before.
Oh my god,
it actually works better.
So cringy.
It actually works way better.
Really? I feel like I'm making ice cream on one of those pans. Oh. Dang, now this is glue all right here. I feel it in the mixing, like she's a thick one.
I sort of fixed it.
You fixed it?
In a way.
I love this one though, it smells so good. I like this one a lot. It's very thick. That smells so good. I'm gonna try to fix Pina Colada Jamba Juice. Oh snap, this one doesn't even open.
It's blue shut or?
Ugh.
That smells like rotten.
I think this one rotted. Oh my god. I freaking love Carly. I texted her right now. I was like, yo, I just found some of your slime that I had for over a year. It looks like something leaked inside of it. I don't know if you guys see it. There's something on the lid. I don't know if I should even play with this one, y'all. There's literally like blue stuff in it. And
throw it away.
I don't know if it's actual... I don't know if it's like literally molded. I cannot. I'm not gonna try to fix that one. Mmm. This is Wildberry Cheesecake. I love her cheesecake slimes. I've tried her blueberry one as well. Ooh, first layer of skin. Look at this nice skin. This one's coming together. It's just that glue all. It's the glue all, huh? That takes a while. It is really hard to activate it. The one that's came out the best for me so far, Cinnamon Toast Crunch has come out the best. The other one was rotten.
This one actually came out better than this one.
Yeah, this one's pretty good. This looks like it's a butter. And this looks like, oh snap, I think this is a cloud.
Clay
and there's
separate.
liquid.
What? Okay, this one became clay.
Bro, the water literally separated from the instant snow. I have a feeling this was a cloud. And now it's a straight up, like butter. This one smells a little off. Ugh. This would honestly have happened, I feel like, to literally anybody, any shop. So it has nothing to do at all with the shop. If anything, she's one of my top 5s. Like, I freaking love her slime. These were literally outside. Sitting outside for who knows how long. Mmm, this one smells good still. This one smells bomb. Last but definitely not least is Jamba Juice, which is her best seller from what I know. Okay, Jamba Juice, the scent is like still on point. Bro, you're activating way too much. Having to mix the clay into the glue while activating it, it's really hard. When you make butter slime, you don't mix the glue and the clay together with the glue melted, you know what I mean? You activate first the glue and stuff. So it's usually hard to activate butters. Go squishy go. Go squishy go. Go squishy go. Go squishy go. Do you think this candy works, Raul?
No.
Should we eat it? I'm just kidding.
If you want to get
now that's a video. Eating expired candy.
You want to get a stomach rider?
Jamba Juice has a lot of glue on. It's really hard to activate. It's gonna need a lot of kneading.
Oh,
You literally aimed it straight in there. Okay, Jamba Juice, we will come back to you another day. You are so thick, honey. You're just so hard to activate right now. I hope this is the only package that I didn't know about, because I'm gonna be real sad if I'm ordering all this slime and forgetting about it. These lashes gotta go, honey. I am so tired already, and it's literally 9 p.m. I woke up early because I had the interview today. I feel like I didn't sleep much. Yesterday I was in LA all day. Okay, I genuinely don't know if I have like really bad bags under my eyes or if it's makeup, because I don't think they've ever looked like this bad. Your girl needs to like get some rest, because she be looking dead. Tomorrow, guys, tomorrow's vlog is going to be insane. Tomorrow, Marisol, Chubb's mommy, tomorrow she's gonna be in labor. My sister-in-law gets induced. She is having a baby. I'm having a niece. Stay tuned, tomorrow's vlog is gonna be crazy. I'll see you tomorrow at the hospital. Oh.